Help you grow now because I'm here to help you grow now. Today's video is about how to turn one video into 30 pieces of content. If you're tired of recording every single day, this video will save you hours, literally. I'm about to show you how to turn one video into 30 pieces of content and post everywhere without burning out. Disclaimer, I'm not a guru. This is the exact system creators use to grow fast without working harder, including myself. So why does this matter? Social media rewards consistency. Most creators quit because they think they need new content every single day. You don't. All right. You need one strong video and a smart system. All right. So I'm gonna go down the steps with you guys. All right. So step number one, record one long video. All right. So you can record one video, 10 to 20-minute video. You can get away with doing 8 minutes because your video at least has to be 8 minutes to get, a lot of ads in. You know what I'm saying? But just to be safe, do 10 to 20-minute videos. All right. So an example would be a YouTube video, a podcast style talk, a tutorial, or a story time. All right. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube. I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel, one of my YouTube channels. All right. And this is not Let's Help You Grow. This is my other YouTube channel, Little Scorpio King Supporters. So when I go to this YouTube channel, I recently just did a long form content, really long form content, because I don't do them like that. I mean, I do the ones that's like, you know, 10 minutes in that 10 minutes range, but I did one recently where it was in that 2 hour range. All right. And I got 400 views off of this. So what I would do is I would take this 2 hour long content because this is what DJ Vlad or academics or Say Cheese TV, those type of podcasters or whatever, this is what they do. They'll get a video like this, 2 hours, they'll put it on a site like this. And I have an affiliate link for Clap. Y'all need to, if you don't know about Clap, you need to know about this right now. All right. I actually got to put my account on here. Sorry, you guys, I'm about to sign in. That's um I'm clearly signed out because I had to restart my computer and sometimes it just signs me out for whatever reason. But yeah, y'all need to download Clap because what Clap would do, um, got it. What Clap would do, it will put your videos into shorts. So you can see I got 20 shorts available. So far, I only released one short. And I'll let y'all see that off of that podcast because that's something that was trending too. Y'all need to do something that was trending. So I did this and this got 600 views. All right, which drove people to the long form content. You feel me? So because your shorts, especially starting out, your shorts are going to get the most views. You feel me? But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? You got to do what you got to do. So do something long like that. Pause. All right. So, step number two, what you would want to do, you want to pull short clips. All right. And that's pretty much what I was just talking to you guys about. You want to take that one video and cut it down to 10 YouTube shorts. So y'all seen how I took that 21 Savage interview and it got cut down to 20 YouTube shorts. Now, to use a program like this, clap.app, you do have to pay a monthly subscription depending on how many videos you want cut down per month. All right. Um, and I'm Clap Pro. I'm part of the Clap Pro subscription. So I can do like 100 videos a month. All right. And it just depends on how serious you are. And I just know I'm gonna be uploading every time. So I need to be able to clip it up because you don't want to do it yourself. Now I ain't gonna lie to you guys. If you can't afford it, and I say that humbly because I couldn't afford it like a year or two ago, where I'll just take the reaction video or any video that I did on YouTube and I cut it up myself. It is very time consuming. So that's why I use an app like clap.app .com for that. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I got my affiliate link in my description where you guys can go ahead and sign up for this and y'all can get a certain percentage off. I highly suggest you sign up under my affiliate. Yes, I do get paid and you can get paid too. You can start using this and share it with other people and you can start getting paid as well for them signing up through your link. But if a person don't sign up through the link, bro, you're going to pay the full price. So why not get that 10% off, 20% off, or 5% off, whatever percentage it is off? Why not do that? All right. The next thing you want to do 10 TikToks as well. So y'all sleeping on TikToks. My main outlet when it comes to this YouTube stuff is TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So when I do a video, I target you the YouTube Shorts and TikTok, the TikTok Shorts. You also want to do 5 Instagram reels as well. You can target Instagram. You want to do 5 Facebook reels. So I have it where anytime I upload on Instagram, it automatically goes to my Facebook reels. So I don't even have to manually do it. You feel me? That's good. So that's something that you should think about. Each clip should be 15 to 45 seconds. So y'all can see where my shorts, you go to my shorts. My shorts are not that long at all. It's like,
what about that? You feel me? Like,
you can see this short right here is
I
47
just
seconds,
believe
48 seconds, 49
what's
seconds.
supposed to happen is going to happen.
Yeah, this clip right here is 49 seconds. So keep it under a minute. The only time your clip should be over a minute is like if you're uploading on TikTok and you're monetized on TikTok. If you're not monetized on TikTok, don't worry about your clip being over a minute. All right. Step 3, change the hooks. Now, this is very, very, very important. And if you go to my website, letshelpyougrownow.gov.com, you can see where I got Let's Help You create TikTok and social media hooks. So this is not just TikTok hooks, this is regular social media hooks. You want the same clip and you want hooks on it. So you can see this and Clap. The good thing about Clap.app, they already put the hook on there. So, I mean, you can make another hook as well because they let you edit it. They let you go in there and edit it and you can put your own hook, but they also give you hook. The majority of the times I use their hooks because I'm already uploading all these damn videos and stuff, especially if you don't have nobody else doing it for you. I'm already doing all of that. So I'm like, I might as well use their hooks. And as you can see, you go to my YouTube Shorts channel, you can see it paying off. Like I have a short where it just gets 2 views, but don't pay attention to that because guess what? 1K views, 330 views, 600 views, 500 views, 400 views, 100 views, 500 views, 700 views, 400 views, 94 views, 500 views. So it fluctuates. You feel me? So I get them views because you'll look at this and be like, well, you just got 9 views. But you go back over here where I'm previewing a song. Now, this is not even a reaction video. This shit got 800 views. So that's what I'm saying. It fluctuates. That's just what it is, bro. Like everything is not going to hit like that. So here's an example of a hook. Hook 1, nobody talks about this. Hook 2, this changed everything. Hook 3, don't make this mistake. You feel me? But you can see how all these videos got captions and it has hooks on it. You feel me? And I say right here, I says day 2 of posting my song until it blows. You feel me? And that made people, go in that. You feel me? So, and I'm posting and I'm doing I'm doing the day marketing too. Also, when you do this day marketing, you don't actually have to literally upload because people are not that invested. All right. I haven't did day 3 yet. I don't think I did day 3. No, I did do day 3. Okay, day 3 is right here, but you can see I got the hook right there. That's a hook right there that got views. I didn't do day 4. I'm still because this was posted. Day 3 was posted.
Romantic. Like,
Hold
I'm surprised you got fucking cameras.
hold on. You can see that day 4. Day 4 was posted. It was posted. Just know that it was posted like a week or 2 ago. But more of the story is, bro, you don't got to worry about literally doing it every day. All right. That's what I was telling you off in the beginning. Step 4, add text on screen, add captions, bold keywords. This double retention and watch time. All right. So y'all see I got the captions on these videos. I don't have it on there for nothing. You feel me? That's gonna double people watching the video and your watch time on YouTube is gonna go up. All right. Step number 5 is post everywhere, bro. Post everywhere. Okay. If you follow me on any social media where there's Little Scorpio King or Let's Help You Grow Now, y'all see me post my content on every social media. And then the thing is too, guess what? You can post this like this same clip right here. You see, I posted that everywhere. Okay, you can post the content everywhere, bro. It does not matter. Okay, because you're gonna have different followers on different platforms anyway until you really blow up for real. It's always gonna be different people. I post it everywhere. Meaning you need to post it on YouTube Shorts. You need to post it on TikTok. You need to post it on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Be the same content, different platforms. I even post on LinkedIn. You feel me? Don't sleep on LinkedIn. Y'all can follow me on LinkedIn at Little Scorpio King. You feel me? Don't sleep on it. You feel me? There's a lot of business people on there and a lot of good people on there. Like that's more business wise, but still post on there, bro. I see artists posting on LinkedIn all the time. Why are you not? You feel me? Step six, turn it into more content. So from that same video, you can also create tweets or threads. Threads popping too. Y'all need to go on threads. Y'all can follow me on threads at Little Scorpio King and let's help you grow now. Follow me on Threads. Threads is definitely popping. It's 2026. Threads. I can see Threads taking over. Threads is going to be bigger than Instagram in 2026. I can say that. I can say that much. And everybody's on Threads, bro. If you're an artist or a creator or a business person, you need to be on Threads. Everybody's on Threads, bro. Instagram captions, community posts. Y'all need to post on y'all community too. If you're on YouTube, you can post on your community and you can make your own community like a Telegram, Discord, all of that. Email content, bro. Y'all need to get y'all email list built right now, bro. It's 2026. Get your email list built, bro. Y'all are late to the game. Trying to tell you, bro. Get your email. Ask people for their email address, bro. You feel me? Like I got email course on my website, bro, that y'all can, if y'all need help, I got an email, of course, of how you can get people emails, how you can, build your email list, start to build your email list. It's on my website. Let's help you grow now.gumroll.com. You'll find it here somewhere. It's on here somewhere. I got so much stuff on here to help you guys out. You got to scroll. You might have to scroll down a little bit, but you'll eventually, you'll eventually find it. I'm actually trying to find it right now, but I got so much stuff on here. It's like whatever, but it's on here, bro. This is just know it's on here. All right. But other than that though, step seven will be repeat weekly. Repeat the same thing. Look, go back to my YouTube channel. Repeat, rinse and repeat. You can see this. I've been doing this for a while. You see all of these videos? Yes. Like this video got over 1,000 views. You feel me? I didn't know that. I'm just posting content. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. All right. The tools that you can use. The tools that you can use. CapCut. CapCut is very good. I use CapCut every now and then. But CapCut is like my main edit source. Like if I do want to edit a YouTube video, I'm gonna use CapCut. So if y'all one of those people, I want my stuff to be so perfect and this, that, this, okay, go use CapCut and then it will be as perfect as you want. I love CapCut because when people be like use it's something that else that people be using. Y'all know what y'all be using sometimes. The other stuff I don't really get it. It's all about what you can work. You feel me? So CapCut is real. And what else you can use? Clap that app. I'm telling you guys, use this. Now, if this is too, because I ain't gonna lie, this is for the pros, bro. This is for if you really trying to take this serious and you're gonna be consistent, yeah, you need to use Clap. Clap is the most professional video clip YouTube clipper out there. I promise you. I used a various ones on there. You feel me? But this is the most professional that it gets. I'm just being real. But if for some reason you can't afford it, which is cool because I've been there too. You also can use something called Vizard, 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 Vizard.app or .io, something like that. Just type it in Google, you'll find it. It's pretty cheap. All right, just to start you off. Or you can use something else called Opulus Clip, similar to Clap. Of course, it's not better than Clap, but it'll be a little cheaper, but that's high too. I ain't gonna lie. But whatever y'all want to choose. So why this makes money? More content equals more reach. Believe it or not. All right. The more content you put out there, you're gonna be able to reach people because nowadays people are more inclined to watch a piece of content than listen to a song. I'm gonna show you guys the cheat code. I'm gonna show you guys the cheat code. So I posted something. It's been so long. It's been so long. Because I knew my dog would get views. So let me put the song in the content. That's the cheat code. People will check out your music. You're an artist out here. You want people to listen to your music. There you go. Put it in the content. All right. So more reach equals more monetization. YouTube pays more for long videos. All right. Short brings new subscribers. So the long videos is going to really, not going to lie, videos that's 8 minutes plus. is going to bring the money. That's how you're going to get your AdSense check. I got an AdSense check last month for November. That's what's going to bring in the money is the long form content. The shorts is for promotion. I'm just going to put it out there like that. Now you can, because I make money from my shorts too. But I mean, if you really want to make money from shorts, you will have to get like millions of views on a short. And yeah, now that is easy to do more than a long form content, but I wouldn't bank on that because, but shorts, it needs to be more for the long form content because all of these shorts that you see, other than a video like this or a video like this where I'm promoting my music intentionally, where it's great when I'm just promoting my music, it's nothing but my reaction videos. You feel me? It's like that's my system. You feel me? It works for me. But yeah, so if you want my full content system, workflow, and posting schedule, check the link in my description. I can help you guys because I got YouTube courses on here. I even got Let's Help You Monetize Your YouTube Channel. You cop that, meaning you buy that. I'll help you out with your YouTube, tell you what to do, see if it works for you. If that don't work for you, I got other stuff that can maybe work for you, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, so subscribe for more creator and business game and music gems. Let me know what y'all think though, and let me know what are y'all doing. And comment below if you got a YouTube channel. I'll subscribe. I don't really care. I'll subscribe. Tell me how long you've been doing YouTube content. Tell me if you monetize or not. Because if you're not monetized, I can help you get monetized. And if you are monetized, tell me your money goals, like how much money you want to make on YouTube. And you need to be realistic and make it a real goal because it's 2026 now. So we need to see where you at and where you want to go. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, stop what you're doing. If you want to make some free cash right now, scan this QR code, and you'll be able to make some free cash. Before you go, make sure you scan this code. You'll be able to go to my website, letshelpyougrownow.gumroad.com, to buy my deluxe or to get any courses to help you grow and monetize yourself. Scan now.
Don't you see me right now, baby girl, I'm on the grind. I ain't really got no time to waste time. Baby, I'ma shine.